Remember those kindergarten stories where keeping garlic on the bed would scare away vampires? Or when the fairy godmother would leave money in exchange for a clove of garlic kept under the pillow? As we grew up, we realized these fanciful tales were just meant to entertain and draw us into a world of fiction. But what if we told you that the practice of placing a garlic clove under the pillow isn't just a myth? Surprisingly, many people still sleep with garlic under their pillow today. You might be amazed to learn that this remedy is connected to garlic's pungent and strong smell, which can significantly improve sleep, repel mosquitoes and insects, and even help with insomnia. According to ancient remedies, placing a garlic clove under the pillow was believed to enhance sleep quality and alleviate sleep disorders. Why is that? Garlic may improve sleep because 1. Rich in antioxidants. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress and promote relaxation. 2. Natural relaxant. Certain compounds in garlic, such as allicin, can have a calming effect on the mind and body. 3. Improves blood circulation. Good blood circulation is crucial for a restful sleep, and garlic can enhance blood flow. 4. Boosts immune system. A healthy immune system can improve overall well-being and sleep quality. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels can prevent nighttime awakenings caused by dips and spikes. Placing a clove of garlic under the pillow is thought to enhance sleep quality. However, if you find the strong smell too overwhelming, drinking a garlic-infused night beverage can also help regulate your sleep patterns. 1. Garlic milk. Garlic milk is a traditional remedy known for its soothing properties. To create a soothing night drink, take a glass of milk and add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Boil the mixture for a few minutes, then allow it to cool slightly. For added flavor, you can stir in a teaspoon of honey, though this is optional. Drink this concoction about 30 minutes before bedtime to help promote better sleep. 2. Garlic and honey. Combining garlic with honey not only makes it more palatable, but also enhances its sleep-inducing properties. Honey is a natural sleep aid, promoting the release of melatonin, the sleep hormone. To prepare this sleep-enhancing remedy, crush 1 garlic clove and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. Consume this mixture 15-20 minutes before bedtime to help improve your sleep quality. 3. Garlic-infused oil. Garlic-infused oil can be used for a calming massage before bed. The aroma and properties of garlic can help relax your muscles and mind. To prepare garlic-infused oil, crush a few garlic cloves and add them to a cup of olive oil. Allow the mixture to sit for a few days to let the flavors infuse. Before bedtime, use this infused oil to gently massage your feet and hands for a relaxing effect. 4. Raw garlic. Consuming raw garlic can also help with insomnia, though it might be challenging due to its strong taste. Here are a few ways to incorporate raw garlic into your diet. Add finely chopped garlic to your evening salad for a flavorful boost. You can also mix crushed garlic with a teaspoon of olive oil and spread it on a piece of toast. Alternatively, swallow a small clove of garlic like a pill with water before bedtime to take advantage of its benefits. 5. Garlic tea. Garlic tea is another effective remedy for insomnia. To make garlic tea, start by boiling 3 cups of water and adding 3 crushed garlic cloves. Let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes, then strain it into a cup. For added flavor, stir in a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Drink a cup of this tea about an hour before bedtime to help calm your nerves and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Tips for better sleep. Achieving a good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, and while garlic can be a helpful remedy for combating insomnia, it's essential to consider a more comprehensive approach to improve sleep quality. Incorporating various strategies into your daily routine can create an environment conducive to restful sleep. Here are some effective tips for better sleep. 1. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is one of the most effective ways to regulate your body's internal clock. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends and holidays. Consistency reinforces your body's sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Over time, your body will become accustomed to this routine, and you'll find it easier to drift off to sleep at your designated bedtime. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engaging in calming activities before bed can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Develop a bedtime routine that includes activities such as reading a book, listening to soothing music, or taking a warm bath. These activities help relax your mind and body, making it easier to transition into sleep. Avoid stimulating activities like watching intense movies or engaging in work-related tasks, as these can increase stress levels and make it harder to fall asleep. 3. Limit screen time before bed. Exposure to screens, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, can interfere with your sleep. The blue light emitted by these devices suppresses the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. To promote better sleep, try to reduce your screen time at least an hour before bedtime. Instead of scrolling through your phone or watching TV, opt for activities that do not involve screens, such as reading or practicing relaxation exercises. 4. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Your bedroom environment plays a significant role in the quality of your sleep. Aim to create a space that is conducive to rest by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide the right level of support for your body. Consider using blackout curtains to block out external light and earplugs, or a white noise machine to drown out any disruptive noises. The more comfortable your sleep environment, the easier it will be to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. 5. Watch your diet. What you eat and drink in the hours leading up to bedtime can significantly impact your sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as these can disrupt your sleep. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and certain sodas, is a stimulant that can keep you awake if consumed too late in the day. Similarly, alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, but it can disrupt your sleep cycle later in the night. Opt for light, healthy snacks if you're hungry before bed, and stay hydrated throughout the day without overloading on liquids right before sleep. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is a powerful tool for improving sleep quality. Exercise helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, all of which can interfere with sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. However, be mindful of the timing of your workouts. While exercise is beneficial, vigorous activity too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect, leaving you feeling too energized to fall asleep. Try to finish any intense exercise at least a few hours before bed. In addition to these tips, remember to put garlic under your pillow or make a drink to improve sleep. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. For more useful recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel.